Hi guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So Apple just had a new event and announced different products, different Macs, iPad, and iPhones. For this video, let's just focus on the iPhone part. So they have announced the iPhone SE 2022. I really don't like to call it the new iPhone SE because technically the appearance and the design is almost the same as the last one, with just an upgraded specs. I give kudos to Apple as the best tech company in recycling not only the components, but also their design. I was really hoping that they upgraded the design with the looks of like an iPhone XR. But since they're selling iPhone 11 still, that would make it even a better buy than the 11, which Apple would not want. So I think they still stick with the old design, like very old design still. So for its specs of the iPhone SE 2022, so it is powered by Apple A15 Bionic chip with 5G. It also got the same 4.7-inch LCD 720p screen, an IP67 dust and water resistant rating, a Touch ID, a 12-megapixel 1.8 aperture wide camera that offers incredible computational photography benefits, including smart HDR4 photographic styles, deep fusion, and portrait mode. And they also said that it will have a bigger battery. And all for that for $429. So yes, there's an increase in price slightly, maybe because of the inflation. But to be honest, I'm disappointed with the same old design and this price increase. For $429, there's a lot better option that you can get. So what do you think of the iPhone SE 2022? So comment down below, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.